Dear students, welcome to the art class. This is Manpreet here from the Millennium School. In today's video, I am going to teach you tribal art. Before starting the video, let's have a look on the material required for tribal art. Material required for today's video is flat brush number 10, art foil, water, waste cloth and marker. So let's start with the today's topic. For tribal art, first we'll color the base. For that, first we'll apply the water on the full paper with a flat brush. So this is our flat brush. So apply water on the full paper. Now take your palette and take red color and then mix white color in red color. Like this. Then you get one pink color. So this pink color will apply on the full paper. For a base. Like this you have to apply on the full paper. So do it with a neatness. So our background is done. Now we'll draw tribal art on it. So first you have to do border on the sheet. Then make one slanting line. Here we are making one trunk of tree. And again you have to make slanting line from this side and make one triangle shape. So now we'll make branches. So draw freehand branches on this trunk. So if you are not comfortable with the direct marker, then you can use the pencil first, then you can color the base. So draw this design with the pencil first, then color the base, then you can apply the marker on that. So like this we'll cover all the branches with the leaves like this. So now we'll make one swing. Now we'll make one baby figure sitting on the swing. Like this. So now we'll make stones, small stones in the down area and grass also. Now we'll make one lady. Who playing with a baby. Just standing near the swing. So like this you have to make lady. So now we'll make one more lady this side. And this lady with the pots. We'll make two pots. One is on her head and one is on her hand. So shape will be same like this only. this you have to make pot. She is holding the pot in hand. So our drawing is done. Now we'll make design. So first we'll start from the trunk of tree. Make small pattern in this. And decorate your tree. See, like this you have to create design in the trunk of tree. So after completing it, we'll color the lady. So do black color in this circle shape, and ears and body too. These triangle shape will cover with the black color, like this. So same way we'll cover the all figures, this and this. See. So now we'll color. We'll give the design in the stone. Don't fill the full, just fill half stones. And then we'll give a shade in a grass. Just fill it full like this. So now we'll give the pattern, make design in the leaves. So this design you have to make in the leaves like this, and some leaves will cover with a fully black color. Not all, but some leaves. So one leaf will cover with a black color on the one stem. So like this you have to fill the black color in the leaves. So one leaf I have done on all the branches. So now we'll do the same pattern. So by using same pattern, I have done all the leaves. Now we'll make thick branches from the starting point. Just make all the branches thick from the starting point. And upper part should be thin lines. Like this you have to make your branches thick from the starting point. Then it will more visible and it look more beautiful. So like this you can create more design in a tribal art. So now we'll make one nest and one bird. Like this you have to make bird. So our drawing is completed. Make the same drawing on your art file and you can create more designs also. So our tribal art is done. Hope you understood well how to make a tribal art. So this is the end of today's session. Thank you.